In today's video, we'll be diving into a helpful tutorial on how to block any website on Windows. Whether you're looking to enhance productivity, limit distractions, or create a safer browsing environment, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. We'll explore is using the built-in host file in Windows operating system. The hosts file located in the flowing location on Windows. Right-click on Hosts file and select Properties, then go to Security tab. Click Edit button to change permission, and select users that you logged in. Click check mark box for allow full control permission. Then click Apply or OK button. Now open Hosts file in Notepad, scroll down and locate the line that starts with 127.0.0.1 localhost. To block a website, type 127.0.0.1 followed by a space and then the website's URL. For example, 127.0.0.1 space www.facebook.com. Save the file. And there you have it. Now see, we can't browse this site. The effective methods to block any website on Windows. Remember, blocking websites can be helpful in various situations, from increasing productivity to maintaining a safer digital environment. The Windows hosts file allows us to redirect specific website addresses to different IP addresses, effectively blocking them on our computer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Take care, and happy browsing!